Samsung Galaxy Z Fold7, Z Flip7, and Watch8 series hands-on review. Imagine a world where smartphones are not just devices, but gateways to new experiences, connections, and creativity. Welcome to the era of Samsung's latest innovations, the Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7, and Galaxy Watch8 series, now available globally. But here's where it's exciting. These devices are not just upgrades, they're a leap into the future of smartphone technology. With the power of multimodal AI, users can anticipate and respond to their needs in real time, making their lives easier, more enjoyable, and more connected. The Galaxy Z Fold7 and Z Flip7 represent the next generation of foldable smartphones, designed to fit seamlessly into users' lives, with advanced intelligence, expansive displays, and pro-grade cameras. But what really sets them apart is their ability to learn and adapt to users' habits, making them intuitive companions that can anticipate and respond to their needs. The Galaxy Z Fold7, for instance, boasts an ultra-thin and light design, making it the perfect device for those who want a premium experience without the bulk. Its expansive screen and advanced camera system make it ideal for gaming, streaming, and content creation. And with features like Gemini Live, users can share their experiences and get real-time feedback from their AI companion. But that's not all. The Galaxy Z Flip7 is designed for those who want a compact and iconic device that can keep up with their dynamic lifestyle. Its edge-to-edge flex window and advanced camera system make it perfect for capturing and sharing content on the go. And with features like Portrait Studio, users can turn their photos into works of art with just a few taps. The Galaxy Watch8 series, on the other hand, is designed to provide users with real-time health insights and motivation. With its advanced sensor technology and intuitive AI-powered experience, users can track their sleep, stress, nutrition, and activity levels and get instant rewards or alerts to help them stay on track. But what's really innovative about the Galaxy Watch8 is its antioxidant index feature, which allows users to measure their carotenoid levels in just 5 seconds. This feature is not only a game changer for fitness enthusiasts, but also a great example of how technology can be used to promote healthy living. As Samsung continues to push the boundaries of innovation, it's clear that these devices are not just products, but gateways to new experiences and connections. So what do you think? Are you ready to experience the future of smartphone technology? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And if you're curious about the availability of these devices, you can check out Samsung's website or visit a nearby store to get hands-on experience with the latest Galaxy devices. The Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7, and Galaxy Watch8 series are available for purchase in 49 markets starting July 21st and will be made available in over 110 markets worldwide. So don't miss out on the opportunity to be a part of the next generation of smartphone users. Get ready to experience the future of technology today. Hurry! Galaxy Z Fold7 at $899 only today. Full review and best deals. Unlock the best deal on the Galaxy Z Fold7 today. If you've been eyeing the Galaxy Z Fold7, now is the moment to act. This innovative device is currently available for as low as $899, thanks to an additional $100 discount. But hurry, today marks the final day to take advantage of this offer. The Galaxy Z Fold7 has already begun shipping to those who pre-ordered, but if you've been holding out for a more enticing deal, your patience may have just paid off. Samsung is enhancing its trade-in discounts for the last day, making it an excellent opportunity for potential buyers. Prior to the official announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold7, Samsung launched a reservation campaign that provided users with an extra discount when they pre-ordered the phone. Unfortunately, that campaign is concluded, and the exclusive discounts available through the Samsung Shop app have largely disappeared. However, according to Samsung's store page, these enticing deals seem to be making a comeback and are accessible to everyone. Instead of the usual $120 discount for upgrading storage, Samsung is now offering a remarkable $220 off. This means you can snag the model with 512 gigabytes of storage for an even better price. Additionally, the store page continues to feature trade-in offers that can provide up to $1,000 off your purchase. This could potentially reduce the price of the Galaxy Z Fold7 to just $1,120, which is the lowest price we've encountered so far. It's important to note that this extra discount is only available through the specific pre-order link provided below. If you navigate to the Samsung store via a Google search, you may only see the standard discount instead of a full $220 off. Here's the link to pre-order. Pre-order the Galaxy Z Fold7 and HTSP Howlink IURN FNZ2P1. Don't miss out. These pre-order deals are ending today, making this your last chance to secure the Galaxy Z Fold7 at likely the best price for quite some time, especially when combined with trade-in offers. More insights on Samsung. Samsung is gearing up for the release of One UI 8, which includes updates for Good Lock and new home screen customization options. Gallery. https://2025-07-22 Samsung One UI 8 Good Lock updates. The first Wear OS 6 update has arrived, with Samsung rolling out One UI 8 to the Galaxy Watch8. Details https://2025-07-22 Samsung One UI 8 Watch Galaxy Watch8. Stay updated by adding 9to5 Google to your Google newsfeed. Follow here https://news.google.com/publication/CAAQBWads MMAQS and lifelink face or .google. FTC disclosure. We utilize affiliate links that may generate income. Learn more https://9to5google.com/about/affiliate https://9to5google.com/share your thoughts in the comments below.